The Roman Empire was one of the largest and most powerful civilizations in the ancient world, stretching across vast territories from the British Isles to North Africa and from the Iberian Peninsula to the Middle East. To effectively govern and defend this expansive domain, the Romans recognized the critical need for an integrated and reliable transportation network. The solution lay in the construction of an extensive system of paved roads that would become one of the most impressive engineering feats of the ancient era. The Roman roads played a pivotal role in the empire's ability to facilitate trade, communication, and military campaigns across its diverse domains. These thoroughfares served as the arteries that connected the far-flung regions of the Roman world, allowing for the efficient movement of goods, people, and information. Merchants could transport their wares swiftly and safely, while military commanders could rapidly deploy legions to strategic locations, ensuring the empire's security and enabling its relentless expansion. The roads were not merely utilitarian constructs but also symbols of Roman power and ambition. They reflected the empire's commitment to administrative centralization, technological innovation, and the integration of its heterogeneous territories. By constructing this expansive network of well-engineered pathways, the Romans demonstrated their engineering prowess and administrative acumen, projecting an image of unity, efficiency, and control over their vast domain. Through the development of this remarkable transportation infrastructure, the Roman Empire was able to overcome the logistical challenges posed by its geographical expanse, fostering economic prosperity, cultural exchange, and military might. The Roman road stood as a testament to the empire's engineering ingenuity and its unwavering determination to assert its dominance over the known world. The construction of the extensive Roman road network was a remarkable feat of engineering that reflected the Romans' innovative approach to infrastructure development. Roman engineers employed advanced surveying and planning techniques to ensure the roads were built with precision and efficiency. One of the key innovations was the use of sophisticated surveying methods to map out the optimal routes for the roads. Roman surveyors, known as agrimensors, would carefully assess the terrain, taking into account factors such as elevation, drainage, and the availability of construction materials. They utilized specialized tools, including the groma, a device used to establish right angles, and the dioptra, an early form of surveying instrument, to meticulously plan the road's trajectories. This meticulous planning allowed the Romans to construct their roads with an exceptional level of engineering expertise. The roads were not simply laid atop the existing ground, but rather built using a multi-layered approach that enabled them to withstand heavy usage and the elements for centuries. The construction process typically involved the following steps. The Romans would first excavate a trench and fill it with a base of large stones or rubble to create a stable foundation. On top of the foundation, they would place several layers of smaller stones, gravel, and sand, compacting each layer to create a sturdy substructure. The final layer was a thick pavement made of carefully selected and cut stones, known as the summa crusta. These stones were tightly fitted together to create a smooth, durable surface. To ensure the roads could withstand heavy rains and flooding, the Romans incorporated advanced drainage systems, including culverts, ditches, and sewer networks, to channel water away from the road surface. This meticulous, multi-layered construction method allowed the Roman roads to support the weight of heavy military vehicles, commerce caravans, and foot traffic for centuries. The road's exceptional resilience and longevity stand as a testament to the Romans' engineering prowess and their commitment to building infrastructure that would stand the test of time. The interconnected system of Roman roads played a crucial role in integrating the far-reaching and diverse territories that made up the Roman Empire. By establishing a comprehensive network of well-engineered paved thoroughfares, the Romans were able to facilitate the efficient movement of goods, people, and information across their vast domain. The roads served as the arteries that connected the disparate regions of the empire, allowing for the rapid and reliable transport of essential commodities. Merchants and traders could now move their wares from one end of the empire to the other with greater speed and safety, unlocking new economic opportunities and fostering the growth of trade and commerce. This integration of markets and resources strengthened the overall economic cohesion of the Roman world. Beyond the economic benefits, the road network also enabled the efficient flow of people and information. Roman officials, administrators, and military personnel could travel quickly between distant outposts, ensuring effective governance and the swift deployment of legions to maintain order and defend the empire's borders. Additionally, the roads facilitated the dissemination of ideas, cultural practices, and technological innovations, promoting the cross-pollination of knowledge and the emergence of a shared Roman identity. The cultural exchange catalyzed by the road network was instrumental in the Romans' efforts to integrate their diverse territories. As people, goods, and information flowed freely along the roads, previously isolated communities were exposed to new customs, languages, and beliefs. This exposure fostered a sense of shared cultural heritage and identity, as local traditions were gradually assimilated into the broader Roman ethos. Furthermore, the roads served as conduits for the spread of Roman language, legal systems, and administrative practices, helping to cement the empire's control over its far-flung domains. The integration of diverse territories under a common infrastructure and cultural framework was a key factor in the Romans' ability to maintain their extensive empire for centuries. The Roman road network was a remarkable feat of engineering that transformed the empire's geographic expanse into a cohesive, interconnected domain. By facilitating the efficient movement of people, goods, and ideas, the roads played a pivotal role in the political, economic, and cultural integration of the Roman world. The Roman road system was not merely a series of paved pathways, but rather an ambitious engineering endeavor that showcased the Romans' innovative problem-solving capabilities. To overcome the numerous natural obstacles that stood in their way, the Romans employed a range of creative and advanced construction techniques, demonstrating their mastery of engineering. One of the most impressive feats was the construction of bridges, aqueducts, and tunnels to traverse challenging terrain. When faced with rivers, valleys, or mountainous regions, the Romans did not simply divert their roads or leave gaps in the network. Instead, they utilized their engineering prowess to build structures that could seamlessly integrate the roads across these natural barriers. The Roman bridges were marvels of engineering, constructed using a combination of stone, brick, and concrete. These structures were designed to withstand the weight of heavy traffic and the stresses of water currents, with some bridges spanning hundreds of feet. The Romans also built expansive aqueduct systems, which not only supplied water to cities but also incorporated arched bridges to carry roads over valleys and ravines. In areas where bridges and aqueducts were not feasible, the Romans turned to the construction of tunnels. These subterranean passages, often carved through solid rock, allowed the roads to traverse mountains and other formidable geographic obstacles. The Romans employed sophisticated surveying techniques and innovative construction methods to ensure the stability and alignment of these tunnels, some of which extended for miles. In addition to these large-scale structures, the Romans also paid meticulous attention to the drainage systems that were essential for maintaining the integrity of the road network. They incorporated advanced features such as culverts, ditches, and sewer networks to efficiently channel water away from the road surfaces, preventing erosion and ensuring the longevity of the roads. These innovative engineering solutions, ranging from the construction of monumental bridges and aqueducts to the implementation of intricate drainage systems, were a testament to the Romans' technical prowess and their unwavering commitment to creating a comprehensive and resilient transportation network. The ability to overcome natural barriers and maintain the roads in the face of environmental challenges was a key factor in the Roman success in establishing and sustaining their vast empire. The extensive system of Roman roads has left an indelible mark on the world, with its influence extending far beyond the ancient world and into the modern era. Even centuries after the decline of the Roman Empire, the legacy of these remarkable engineering feats continues to be felt, as many of the world's modern transportation routes closely follow the paths of the ancient Roman roads. In countless regions across Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East, the routes of modern highways, railways, and even air corridors often align with the courses of the Roman roads that came before them. This is a testament to the strategic planning and durability of the Roman transportation network, which was conceived and constructed with a level of foresight and engineering prowess that continues to be recognized and emulated today. The enduring legacy of the Roman road network can be attributed to the Romans' administrative acumen and their commitment to building infrastructure that would withstand the test of time. The meticulous surveying techniques, multi-layered construction methods, and innovative solutions employed by Roman engineers ensured that their roads could support heavy usage and environmental stresses for centuries. Moreover, the integration of the road network with the broader Roman administrative and military framework was a key factor in its longevity. The roads not only facilitated the efficient movement of goods and people but also enabled the centralized control and defense of the empire's vast territories. This administrative and logistical integration was a hallmark of Roman governance and contributed to the lasting impact of the road system. The Roman road network stands as a testament to the engineering prowess and administrative genius of the Roman civilization. The Romans' ability to conceive and construct such an extensive and resilient transportation infrastructure, often in the face of daunting geographical obstacles, is a remarkable achievement that continues to shape the world's transportation systems to this day. The legacy of the Roman roads extends far beyond their practical applications, serving as a symbol of the empire's technological sophistication, organizational acumen, and unwavering ambition to unite and govern its domains. The enduring influence of these ancient engineering marvels is a testament to the lasting impact of the Roman civilization on the course of human history. The Roman road network played a pivotal role in enabling the empire's military might and supporting its relentless expansionist goals. By providing a comprehensive system of well-engineered, interconnected thoroughfares, the roads facilitated the rapid deployment of Roman legions, allowing the empire to swiftly respond to threats and extend its control over new territories. The strategic placement and design of the roads were crucial in this regard. The roads were constructed with military considerations in mind, often following the most direct routes between key strategic locations, such as major cities, fortified outposts, and border regions. This ensured that Roman forces could be quickly mobilized and transported to where they were needed most, giving the empire a significant tactical advantage. Moreover, the durability and reliability of the road network allowed Roman armies to maintain a high level of logistical support, even during lengthy military campaigns. The roads enabled the efficient transport of supplies, equipment, and reinforcements, ensuring that Roman legions were well-provisioned and capable of sustaining prolonged operations far from their bases of power. This ability to rapidly deploy and sustain military forces was a crucial enabler of the Roman Empire's expansionist ambitions. As the empire sought to conquer new territories and consolidate its control over distant regions, the road network provided the necessary infrastructure to facilitate these endeavors. Roman generals could swiftly respond to threats, secure strategic locations, and establish a robust administrative and logistical presence in newly acquired domains. The roads also played a role in integrating these newly conquered territories into the broader Roman sphere of influence. By connecting the far-flung corners of the empire, the road network helped to foster cultural exchange, the dissemination of Roman customs and language, and the implementation of Roman legal and administrative systems. This integration was essential in solidifying the empire's control over its diverse domains and ensuring the long-term stability of its vast territorial holdings. In essence, the Roman road network was a strategic asset that underpinned the empire's military prowess and enabled its relentless expansion. The road's ability to facilitate the rapid deployment of legions, maintain logistical support, and integrate newly conquered territories made them a vital component of the Roman war machine and a key factor in the empire's sustained growth and dominance. The extensive system of Roman roads played a crucial role in driving the economic development and integration of the empire's diverse territories. By establishing a comprehensive network of well-engineered and interconnected thoroughfares, the Romans were able to facilitate the efficient flow of goods, resources, and trade across their vast domain, fostering economic prosperity and strengthening the overall cohesion of the imperial economy. The roads served as the arteries that connected distant markets and regional hubs, enabling merchants and traders to transport their wares with greater ease and speed. Goods could now be moved quickly and safely between production centers and consumer markets, unlocking new commercial opportunities and promoting the specialization of regional economies. This enhanced connectivity allowed for the more efficient distribution of essential resources, such as food, raw materials, and manufactured products, ensuring a more stable and resilient supply chain across the empire. Furthermore, the road's role in reducing transportation times and costs had a significant impact on the profitability of commercial ventures. Merchants could now navigate the empire's territories with greater efficiency, minimizing the risks and expenses associated with long-distance trade. This, in turn, encouraged increased investment, the expansion of trade networks, and the development of more sophisticated commercial practices. The economic integration facilitated by the road network also had a positive impact on regional development. As the flow of goods and resources intensified, local economies were able to capitalize on their comparative advantages, specializing in the production of certain commodities and exporting them to distant markets. This specialization in trade fostered the growth of towns, cities, and urban centers, which emerged as hubs of economic activity and cultural exchange. The roads also played a crucial role in promoting the empire's tax collection and administrative control over its diverse domains. The efficient movement of goods and people enabled the Roman authorities to better monitor trade, collect customs duties, and ensure the steady flow of revenue. This, in turn, provided the resources necessary for the maintenance and expansion of the road network, as well as the funding for other imperial projects and the administration of the empire. In essence, the Roman road network was a foundational component of the empire's economic integration and prosperity. By facilitating the efficient flow of goods, resources, and trade, the roads catalyzed the development of regional specialization, promoted economic growth, and strengthened the overall cohesion of the imperial economy. This economic integration was a key factor in the Roman Empire's ability to thrive and expand its influence across the ancient world. The expansive network of Roman roads stands as one of the most remarkable and influential engineering feats of the ancient world. Through their unparalleled vision, technical expertise, and administrative prowess, the Romans constructed a transportation system that not only transformed the economic, political, and cultural landscape of their empire, but also left an indelible mark on the development of modern infrastructure. The key contributions of the Roman road network are manifold. First and foremost, the road served as the backbone of the empire's economic integration, facilitating the efficient movement of goods, resources, and people across vast territories. This enhanced connectivity strengthened trade, promoted regional specialization, and fostered the growth of urban centers, all of which contributed to the overall prosperity of the Roman domains. Equally important was the road's role in enabling the rapid deployment of Roman legions, granting the empire a significant military advantage and supporting its expansionist ambitions. The strategic placement and engineering of the roads allowed for the swift mobilization of troops and the effective administration of newly conquered territories, solidifying the empire's control over its far-flung domains. Beyond their practical applications, the Roman roads were also a testament to the civilization's engineering prowess and administrative acumen. The advanced surveying techniques, multi-layered construction methods, and innovative solutions employed by Roman engineers ensured the road's durability and longevity, withstanding heavy usage and environmental stresses for centuries. The lasting impact of the Roman road network is evident in the modern world, as countless transportation routes and infrastructure projects continue to follow the paths established by these ancient engineering marvels. This enduring legacy serves as a powerful reminder of the Romans' foresight, technical expertise, and commitment to building infrastructure that would stand the test of time. In the contemporary era, where the need for efficient and sustainable transportation systems is more pressing than ever, the Roman road network stands as a shining example of what can be achieved through careful planning, innovative engineering, and a steadfast dedication to advancing human civilization. The Roman roads, with their sweeping reach, technical sophistication, and lasting influence, remain a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the Roman Empire, and a source of inspiration for modern infrastructure development.